Morning.
Every community has that one guy, the absolute hero who shows up first, encourages everyone, drops a like on videos before the uploader has even clicked publish, and somehow still finds time to pan rivers like a 19th century prospector with unresolved gold fever.
That time our Shaz got out walking again.
For Stacker Social, that man is BBA, the unstoppable adventurer behind the legendary Come Ride With Me YouTube videos. And now, he has his own character bar. The art in the metal. This piece captures BBA in his natural habitat. Out on the bike, silver in his pocket, camera in hand, and for reasons unexplained but deeply on brand, posing with ET because honestly, who else would bump into a stranded extraterrestrial mid-ride and decide, yeah, mate, selfie time. BBA's adventures are the stuff of community folklore. He rides, he pans. He supports every creator like a one-man YouTube algorithm. If positivity were a Boolean grade, he'd be .99999 fine encouragement. Why this bar belongs in your stack? Because BBA isn't just a member, he is the community's hype man, the morale booster, and the roving treasure hunter. This bar represents the spirit of adventure, the joy of stacking, and the question everyone asks during his rides. Mate, why is there always a random bit of silver in your hand? Owning this piece is like carrying a pocket full of good vibes and wholesome chaos, the true BBA experience. Perfect for collectors who appreciate silver art, Stacker Social lore, high-grade humor, and the idea of a cyclist casually hanging out with ET.
Happy Friday, people. I haven't been out on my bike for a few days, so thought I'd do you a little video. Space Mariner. I was trying to set it all back up again. Bloody thing.